The Samsung Galaxy A56. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You want to do a factory reset if you want just a clean slate, start everything back over, or if you want to sell it. So first thing is log into your phone and then go directly to your settings. So we're going to go to settings here. From here, we want to go to general management. So let's scroll down. General management, and scroll down a little bit until you see reset. Let's tap on reset. Now we have a lot of other reset options up here, but the factory data reset is right down here. All right, so let's go ahead and tap on that. Now look very carefully here under factory data reset. Here it says all data will be erased from your phone, including your so-and-so. Now the important thing is to note is where it says Google account. Now I'm not signed into my Google account, my Gmail account on this phone, but if I was, it would show up under here. Okay, so if it shows up under there and I go and continue the factory reset, when I do the setup again, 3/4 of the way doing the setup is going to ask me what my Gmail or Google account Gmail is, as well as my password to proceed with the setup. Okay, so if you're selling the phone, make sure you go back and delete that Gmail account and then come back over here and make sure your personal Gmail account is not on here. Okay, anyway, mine's all clear. I'm going to tap on reset right there. Let me put in my PIN. Okay, and I'm going to proceed, delete all. And it's booting back up now. And voila, and there you go. And again, I didn't have my, I took my Gmail, my Google account and Gmail address off of this phone before I did the factory reset. So I can go ahead and sell this phone now, or I can start off with a clean slate without having to deal with any kind of Gmail or the passwords to the Gmail.